Top 10 Bitcoin holders in 2025. Who owns the most BTC? Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies, has revolutionized the world of finance. From Wall Street investors to government treasuries, this digital gold has found its way into the vaults of the world's wealthiest individuals and institutions. But have you ever wondered who actually owns the most Bitcoin in 2025? In this video, we are going to reveal the top 10 Bitcoin holders, the stories behind their massive stacks, and how their holdings shape the future of the crypto world. Let's dive in. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of only 21 million coins. That scarcity makes every coin precious. But here's the twist: a significant portion of Bitcoin is concentrated in a few hands. This isn't just trivia, it influences price movement, institutional trust, and even regulatory interest. Knowing who the largest holders are helps us understand the power dynamics of the crypto ecosystem. At number 10, we have Tim Draper, a legendary venture capitalist who famously acquired about 30,000 BTC from the US Marshall's Silk Road auction back in 2014. Today, his holdings are worth well over $3 billion, and he continues to be one of Bitcoin's most vocal advocates. Number 9 is Li Xiaolai, one of China's earliest Bitcoin investors. With reportedly over 100,000 BTC, Li's role in building the Chinese crypto community has been monumental, even if he stepped back from public crypto projects in recent years. At number 8 is an unexpected entity, the US government. Through seizures related to criminal cases including Silk Road, Bitfinex, and other darknet operations, the government controls over 200,000 BTC, stored in cold wallets and released in auctions from time to time. Number 7 is Block.one, the company behind the EOS blockchain. While it focuses on enterprise blockchain solutions, it once admitted to holding about 140,000 BTC as part of its treasury reserve. That's a serious stash. Coming in at number 6 is Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally. While much of its Bitcoin is held on behalf of users, Binance controls approximately 633,000 BTC in its reserves, a figure that reflects its dominance in the crypto market. At number 5 is Coinbase, the US-based exchange and the first crypto company to go public. With over 1 million BTC stored, mostly on behalf of customers, Coinbase plays a critical custodial role in the global crypto infrastructure. Number 4 is the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which allows traditional investors to gain Bitcoin exposure via the stock market. They hold around 220,000 BTC, acting as a major bridge between institutional capital and crypto. At number 3, we have MicroStrategy, now rebranded as Strategy Incorporated, led by Michael Saylor. The firm famously converted its entire treasury into Bitcoin and now holds over 580,000 BTC. Saylor continues to advocate Bitcoin as a digital property for corporations. The second largest holder is not a person but a collective of financial products, US Spot Bitcoin ETFs. Since gaining approval, these ETFs have accumulated over 1.1 million BTC, giving institutional investors a regulated entry into the Bitcoin market. And at number 1 is the elusive Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin. Satoshi is believed to hold around 1.1 million BTC, untouched since mining them in the early days. Worth over $110 billion today, this stash remains the most mysterious fortune in the world, a sleeping giant that has never moved. So what does this all mean? With so much Bitcoin controlled by just a few individuals and institutions, the market is not as decentralized as it seems. Their buying, selling, or even holding can impact prices dramatically. Whether it's government auctions, institutional adoption, or long-term holders like Satoshi, these power players silently shape the future of Bitcoin. And that wraps up our look at the top 10 Bitcoin holders in 2025. If you found this video insightful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming deep dives into the world of crypto and finance. Which one surprised you the most? Comment below and let us know. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and keep stacking sats.